The highly anticipated front-engine Ferrari prototype has been spotted in Scandinavia, giving car enthusiasts a sneak peek at what's to come. Originally thought to be a V12-powered Roma, it's now been revealed that the prototype is the successor to the current 812, incorporating some of the Roma's design elements. The car is heavily camouflaged, but we can see that it features body panels and headlight clusters taken from the Roma. However, the front air intakes, rear window, and front fenders have been adapted to accommodate the modified mechanicals. The hood is expected to be raised in the middle, and there could be some innovations hidden in the wheel assemblies. As for the V12 engine, it's difficult to assess the changes, but it could retain its 6.5-liter displacement and draw inspiration from the 812 Competizione to boost power and top speed. There's also speculation that the engine could feature some form of electrification, but no official details have been released at this time. Car enthusiasts can look forward to the debut of the new Ferrari prototype, which is expected to take place in 2024. Although the technical specifications and price have not been announced, we can expect this highly anticipated model to come with a hefty price tag and state-of-the-art features that will thrill Ferrari fans worldwide.